I'd whisper to your ear.
Here's my
I'd
sister.
sing for your heart.
Oh,
Songs we know.
yay! Oh my lord, it's so heavy.
Fears me to the bone. We used to sing like birds in the morning. Now you fade away.
I'm playing Brawl Stars. Oh my god, no! Let's play again.
Wake up to an empty bed. You're my life, it's yours to give. All that I give to you comes to you.
Here's my sister. It's you. No. That's you. Tell me. Oh. What the fuck is wrong with you, girl? First, all you need is coffee and tea.
No.
Have you ever tried? No, right? Then how do you know is it good or not? But do you mean? Now what? What is this? These cup noodles are so bad. I tried this. It's not good. It's not good. Oh, do it again. We want this for a cat. Yay! My favorite. Oh my lord, it's so heavy. This is so pretty.
From songs we know, this silence fears me to the bone. We used to sing like birds in the morning. Now you fade away. Now I too go by my day. It's the echoes of the past, or of the moments that last. When I heard our song, I remember our moments long ago. I'm different now, yet I recall the echoes of the past. The echoes of the past. The echoes of the past.
Okay, open. By the way, they're smiling. She's just opening.
Exact memories fade, like with the song that's what makes me wonder if we'd sing again.
It is so soft.
before the timer.
Oh
It's the
my.
echoes of the past, or of the moments that last. When I heard our song, I remembered our moments long ago. I'm different now, yet I recall the echoes of the past. The echoes of the past. The echoes of the past. Exact memories fade, like with the song. That's what makes me wonder if we'd sing again before